Hello everyone, my name is Derek Nollsch and my senior project team consists of Eric Calbonero and Casey Reilly. For our senior project, we focused on Cal Poly dining and the Avenue redesign. Let's move into our agenda. We decided to focus our presentation on a DMAIC process, starting with define, measure, analyze, improve, and finally control. For the define category, we want to show you our background, problem statement, and finally the literature review. Then we'll move into measure, analyze, showing the current problems in the process, improve, and finally control.
Okay, so we're going to start off with a little background on our project. We first approached the director of campus dining operations named Greg Yeo, and he explained to us that the VG's Cafe restaurant located near the dorms is going to be closed in the next 2 to 3 years for a remodel. As a result of this, freshmen who would normally be eating at VG's are going to be redirected to other dining options around campus. One of these dining options is the Avenue, a popular destination located in the center of campus near the UU. In addition, the growing student population for freshmen is expected to increase 3% each year in the next coming years. These incoming freshmen will also experience a meal plan redesign, in which there will be no more meals that they have to spend at designated locations. They will have plus dollars only, meaning that they have complete freedom to eat wherever they want at all times. The elimination of this meal plan may result in higher customer demand at the Avenue depending on where these incoming freshmen choose to eat. Next, we'll move on to our problem statement. Our official problem statement is as follows. Due to the expected increase in customer traffic, the Avenue is looking to increase customer throughput.
Next, we're going to move into our literature review. For information on similar problems, the project team, consisting of the 3 of us seniors, reviewed several articles. The first article was about queuing at McDonald's in Kuala Lumpur, Indonesia. This article used Little's Law to evaluate several different queuing metrics and make a conclusion about queuing at McDonald's. Next, we moved into capacity analysis of a non-manufacturing facility. This reviewed a capacity analysis for products and services as opposed to a traditional manufacturing environment. This article looked at metrics like efficiency and utilization of a facility. Finally, we moved into systematic layout planning, or strategies to develop alternate layouts and how to select the best one. Next, we're going to move into sales metrics data. Greg Yeo was able to provide us with a daily operations summary and a sales mix summary for each of the restaurants in the Avenue, ranging from the top sellers of Chick-fil-A and beverages all the way down to the bottom categories of groceries and miscellaneous goods. This shows us net sales data and taxes all the way to service charges and adjustments for each of these restaurants by year, month, and day. This will be very useful for determining the facility's layout.
Another one of the tools we will be using for our project are time studies. We will be taking time studies based on customers' lead times, which includes their time spent in each queue, their distance traveled, and their processing time at the registers. This will create a baseline state for the Avenue, and then we'll be able to make improvements to the facility's layout and then see how much time we have saved in the process. We can then take our information gained from our time studies and apply it to a flow process chart and diagram. This shows different processes and events used in the Avenue and allows us to visualize movement throughout the space. We can then see what areas will benefit from time reductions and then create an improved layout based on what we find here.
Next, we will move into our facility redesign of the Avenue. Using the current customer counts and traffic flow found from our observations, we can develop and compare alternative layouts in order to service the proposed customer traffic count provided by campus dining. In order to do this, we will focus on the tools and principles taught in IME 443 and 223. These layouts will be presented to campus dining administration to decide on the final layout design. In conclusion, the next steps for our group is to conduct time studies, analyze the queuing data, and develop alternate layouts. According to our Gantt chart, we are planning to complete these steps in the next 6 to 8 weeks. This will keep us on track for our final due date in June. This concludes our presentation. For more information, please contact Eric, Derek, or Casey through our project advisor, Karen Bangs. Thank you.